Hello and welcome back to New World Knowledge. Today I'm going to share with you about Tubebuddy. I knew that you already knew what is Tubebuddy, but today I am going to share you my Tubebuddy's 3 favorite features that will blow your mind. But before this, I want to give you a quick overview of Tubebuddy, so let's start. Tubebuddy is a popular YouTube-certified browser extension and mobile app that offers a wide range of tools and features to help YouTubers optimize their channels, grow their audience, and manage their content effectively. But you can't believe if you are still using free plan. You must be gained something, but not everything. So I am sure that at the end of this video, you will definitely go to the link in the description and buy a Tubebuddy plan. Let's begin. Number 1. Keyword research, my one of the favorite tool. Tubebuddy helps users discover the right keywords to target in their video titles, descriptions, and tags. This can improve a video's visibility in YouTube search results. And I'm just starting using Tubebuddy, and I started seeing results just because of Tubebuddy. Number 2. Video SEO, my second favorite tool. It provides optimization suggestions, such as tag rankings, search volume, and competition data, to help creators fine-tune their video metadata for better search rankings. And this tool will definitely rank your video on the top, so just use it and see the result. Number 3. Video A/B testing, my third favorite tool. Creators can split test video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to determine which elements perform best with their audience. So you can understand your viewer's need and the way he want to see the video. This tool is so optimistic and helpful to grow in the right direction. So you will not only get subscribers and views, but also gain trust of your viewers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will definitely purchase Tubebuddy plan and get your channel on the next level. Also, if you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.